YouTube has become a major player for providing content to users throughout the world. I'm going to go into what makes them so special and talk about the genius behind this modern-day video delivery provider. Let's go. Before the internet, the only way to watch video programs was on your TV, and some were big honkin' television sets that ran on tubes. In some cases, had a freaking antenna that you'd have to adjust to get a signal. The old timers know what I'm talking about. We're not going to get into TV technology, but rather the delivery of content and why YouTube is so awesome for consumers. Let's get some background. When the TV was invented, broadcasters quickly recognized they can offer better entertainment than a bunch of people huddling around a radio, making them TV broadcasters, which they can make a boatload of money, largely through on-air advertising. As things evolved, the broadcast stations became industry Goliaths. That's all fine, but I mentioned I would talk about the genius of YouTube. Now stay with me. What YouTube has done has put the power in the consumer's hands. Consumers don't have to subscribe to a cable or satellite provider that has 200 plus channels, with 99% being crap. Don't get me wrong, YouTube has a lot of crap programs, but you can choose what to watch in a much more granular, on-demand way than traditional broadcast providers. In addition, YouTube opened up the flood doors for mom and pop, cats and dogs, kids and bunnies to create content just like a Goliath broadcaster. Best of all, YouTube promotes this by sharing in the advertising profits with the creators. There could be a lot of baby NBCs out there that are growing on the YouTube platform with just a camera and a microphone. Now, even the large broadcasters are making money on YouTube as a delivery platform. Broadcasters will never control or get us consumers completely ever again. However, they can grab our attention from time to time with good programming. I hope you enjoyed my view of YouTube and the broadcasters. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And yes, subscribing would be a good thing.